In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a credit note in Zoho Books. A credit note is a crucial document that businesses issue to clients to correct any errors in an invoice, reflect a return of goods, or offer a discount. Creating a credit note in Zoho Books is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's start by going to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you've logged into Zoho Books, you'll need to navigate to the main dashboard where all the essential features of Zoho Books are easily accessible. From the dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the Sales module, which is typically situated in the left-hand menu. This section houses essential tools related to sales transactions, so it's your go-to area for anything sales-related. Next, in the Sales section, you need to click on Invoices. This is where you often manage your bills, transactions, and track your earnings from clients. Clicking on Invoices will show you a list of all your existing invoices. From this list, look for the Settings icon, which is usually depicted as a downward arrow at the top of the page. It's subtle, but it's your gateway to additional options. Once you click on that arrow, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose New Credit Note. Selecting this option will direct you to a new page where you'll be able to create your credit note. Once you're on this page, the first thing you need to do is choose the customer for whom the credit note is being created. There will be a drop-down list of customers, so find and select the appropriate name of the customer. This step is necessary to ensure that the credit note is correctly attributed to the right person or company. After selecting the customer, you'll need to input the credit note number. This is important for record keeping and helps both you and your client track the correction associated with the credit note. Following this, choose the date for the credit note. The date field needs to be filled out accurately since it indicates when the credit note was issued. This is crucial for documentation and audit purposes as it reflects the timeline of your adjustments. Finally, once all the necessary information has been entered, look for the option to save your credit note. You'll generally find options such as Save and Send or simply Save. Choose the one that best suits your immediate needs. If you're ready to send it to the customer, go ahead with the Save and Send option. Otherwise, save it for later review. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a credit note in Zoho Books. Follow these instructions carefully and you'll have your credit notes issued in no time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more comfortable navigating Zoho Books for your business needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.